Okay, good morning, everybody. 15 minutes after 6 o'clock. We got a lot going on in traffic. We're going to get to that in just a second. I want to talk about the weather. Take a look at the overcast out there. Thick this morning at around 2,000 feet thick. So here we go again. Another day typical for this time of year for us, June-wise. Temperature-wise, not bad out this morning. 65 degrees downtown. We've picked up that cloud cover early in the evening. So these are misreading right here at downtown. That should be a 65. 62 at the beaches and 60 right now out for the Inland Empire. So there's the high pressure area. This is the energy in the atmosphere. There's that low pressure to the north. So a little change in temps through Wednesday, but then we're going to start to feel it cool down much more as we get past that point for the interior areas. The beaches will stay the same. Downtown, I think the same thing as well. We just kind of ebb and flow within a couple of degrees, but you'll feel the biggest drop where it's the warmest, which will be inland as we thicken up the marine layers. The trough builds. We'll also get some of these onshore winds up into the mountains and into the high deserts as well. So that's how we're going to sit through next week. Once again, just a typical June kind of pattern for us. Nothing super exciting. 75 today, 74 tomorrow. We just kind of go back and forth as we make our way into the weekend. The beaches stay into the upper 60s. Less opportunity for clearing, I think, Friday and Saturday for the valleys. 89 today. Well, those clouds spill through. Then we'll sock it in a little more as we get to the weekend and bring those temperatures down to the upper 70s, maybe even into the low 80s. Now, for the Inland Empire, 88 today, tomorrow, Thursday. Then we start to cool down. The high deserts, 95, a little hot up there today. Then we'll back it off a little bit by the weekend into the low 80s. The mountains, 76, 75 on Wednesday, and 72 on Thursday. So